Have you ever wondered how you can take your magazine from a regular old PDF and turn it into this? Stick with me through today's video and I'll walk you through exactly how to do it. Now, before we get started, I'd like to thank Flipsnack for sponsoring today's video. I've been a magazine editor for going on 14 years now, and back when I started my first magazine, I simply designed the magazine and uploaded the PDF to a platform that allowed my readers to download it. That was it. You couldn't add links, you couldn't add video, there were definitely no slideshows or even buttons to follow the magazine on social media. Back then, the magazine was simply a PDF that you would download and scroll through. And honestly, it was pretty boring. Fast forward to now, and there are so many more options for turning your PDFs into an interactive flipbook that is so visually interesting that it will be a no-brainer for your readers to want to instantly subscribe. So let's dive into how to make it all happen, how to bring your magazine to life. Inside of the Flipsnack platform, it could not be any more simple. You can simply upload your PDF and begin enhancing it with all of their interactive tools, or, and this is kind of a big deal if you ask me, you have the option to create your magazine from scratch without a PDF entirely within Flipsnack. I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to really enhance your PDF with our latest issue of Mini Magazine, which just launched. So I'm going to simply upload the PDF by selecting the document from my computer. I'm going to click Next. And now I'm here, ready to use all of these incredible features to enhance the publication. To be completely honest, Flipsnack offers the most features of any other platform I've ever seen. And again, I've been doing this for over a decade. I have seen my fair share of publishing platforms and ways to get your magazine out into the world, and none of them offer this many features. All of these options for making your magazine really visually engaging are super impressive. You are not going to find this many options with any other publishing platform right now. So for instance, if we go into the magazine and I need to add a link to this ad on the second page of my magazine, all I'm going to do is click this link icon right here. I'm going to click and drag a box of where I want the link to sit on this ad, and then it automatically brings up this hyperlink section for me to enter in the advertiser's URL. Now I need to add another link to my magazine's website here over this black circle, so I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to click the link icon and then drag a box over that black circle to add my link. I type in the URL I want to use and I move on to the next. And here's where your creativity can kind of run wild. So when you click interactions from the left sidebar, you now have all of these options available to add into your magazine. You cannot do this in any other publishing platform. You can easily embed video into your magazine right inside of Flipsnack, which means that in the design of your magazine, you can simply leave a space for the video and then add it in later when you're here and getting ready to publish. You can add audio, a slideshow. You can add stock video and stock photos right from inside this platform. You can even add a pop-up slideshow. The pop-up slideshow feature allows you to drag a box just like we did with our links earlier, except now you can upload images that will actually play when that area is clicked. So my mind is swirling with ideas for magazines that do product roundups or fashion magazines that curate outfit posts. How interesting to be able to click an area of the magazine and then have the slideshow pop up with images from your product roundup. Or if you have a bunch of photos from a shoot and a story and you don't have the space to put all of them on your pages, how amazing to be able to say, click here to see more from our shoot and then have the pop-up slideshow go through them. You can add shop buttons and product tags right into your magazine. If you have your own products, you can add them directly into Flipsnack and have your readers place orders directly from your magazine or lookbook or catalog, whatever you're creating. There are features dedicated exclusively to boosting engagement. So quizzes, questions, and contact forms. I love that all of this can be incorporated into your design ahead of time and then made interactive right here in Flipsnack. So I could have a spot on my page that says, take our reader quiz here, and then I can add this quiz box over it so that when they click it, the questions pop up. You can do the same with the question box, which I love for reader engagement, asking something like, what do you want to see next? And then allowing your readers to type in their answers and really get more involved. That is not something that you can do with a standard PDF magazine, and it makes it so much more fun and interesting to flip through. Now, if you have your magazine's PDF designed and ready to go, you can have your digital flipbook created in as little as 30 seconds. If you don't, and again, this is kind of a game changer, you can create your flipbook entirely within Flipsnack using one of the pre-made templates that they have available to you. And these templates run the gamut, so whether you're creating a magazine or other marketing materials, there's really a lot here for you to work with. And when you're ready to publish and share your magazine, you have multiple options. So you have the option to make it public, which means that it will be available on your Flipsnack profile and indexed by the major search engines for other people to find it. You also have the option to make it unlisted, which means it will only be accessible to the people that you share the link with, and it will not appear anywhere else on the web. You can lock your magazine with a password, which means it won't appear anywhere else on the web and you can only view it with a password. I'm thinking this would be useful if you sell subscriptions or you have paid content and you only give the password to your subscribers. Or you have the option to make it private and only share the magazine with your email list. Flipsnack makes it really easy to import your contact list and share the magazine that way. The other great thing is that Flipsnack allows you to do real-time updates without having to redistribute your magazine. So this means that you can make edits to your magazine even after it's been published and the new version will automatically update. Maybe you need to make a change to the text on a certain page, and this has happened to me many times, after you've published it and you don't want to have to send out the new version. Your readers will be able to see the changes immediately and you don't need to share the link again, which is something that my first magazine in its regular old PDF would never have been able to do. I would have had to send the new version to everyone again if I made any changes, and it would have been a major headache. Analytics-wise, you are able to track exactly how your magazines are doing inside their statistics dashboard. You can see impressions, views, time spent reading your magazine, your top 10 magazines, countries that your readers are from, even the devices people are using to read your magazine. So this is really helpful to know exactly how people are engaging with your magazine, where they're from, how much time they're spending, so you can use this in tailoring your content and your marketing in your next issues. I have yet to find a publishing platform that makes it this easy to upload a magazine and add this many engaging features, even after 14 years as a magazine editor. In just a few minutes, you can take that standard PDF magazine of yours and turn it into a fun and interesting issue. Flipsnack makes it so simple. I'll leave the link for you here and inside the description box so you can check that out and simplify your magazine launch and creation process. So if you got value out of today's video, I would love for you to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.